everybody, this is Allison. Welcome to 123 Cook with Me. Today we are going to make some yummy, delicious Rice Krispie treats. So let's talk about what you need to have to make your Rice Krispie treats. You're going to need your kit, which will include your instruction sheet to make your reindeer Rice Krispie treats. It lists your ingredients that are in the kit, as well as the instructions of what to do. Also, you'll need in your kit your white chocolate chips, which we're going to melt in the microwave. You're going to need a microwave safe bowl or cup, and that means it has to be plastic or glass in order to go into the microwave. You'll also need a spoon or a toothpick or both, and that will help stir the mixture once it's melted. You're also going to need this bag of red and green sprinkles, and in it you'll see there are some googly eyes to go on your reindeer so he can see. You'll need some pretzels. Those will become the antlers for your reindeer. And a bag of M&Ms. You will be using one of the M&Ms for the reindeer's nose, and the rest of the M&Ms can go in your mouth if you'd like. And last but not least, you will need your Rice Krispie treat, because that is going to be the head of the reindeer. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is take your white chocolate chips and pour I'd say about half the bag into your microwave safe cup. And then you're going to take your cup and you're going to put it in the microwave, it says for about 30 seconds. And then you're going to stir it and see if it's melted or not, because all microwaves have different temperatures and all different kind of powers. So let's try 30 seconds at first, okay? Here we go. So my white chocolate is melting. Yours may take a little less than 30 seconds. It might take more than 30 seconds, but it's going to need to be smooth, and it's almost going to act like the glue that's going to hold all of these other parts onto your reindeer's face. So that is really important. So it's going to taste good, but it also has a really important purpose too. Now, I bet you never thought that a reindeer could be made out of a Rice Krispie treat, did you? Well, let's see if we can do it, okay? So, oh my goodness. I just checked mine, and mine are not ready at all yet. I need to go a little bit longer. So I put mine on for a minute to cook a little longer. So remember, you've got the pretzels, which are going to be the two antlers on your reindeer's head. You have your bag of M&Ms. I'll open mine up right now so we're ready. And you can pick whatever color you like. If you want your reindeer to be Rudolph, what color nose would you pick? You're right, you'd pick a red nose. If you want him to just be one of the other reindeer, like Donna or Blitzen, you could pick a brown nose for your reindeer. And you're going to need your Rice Krispie treats bar. So you could make these at home. If you know how to do that at home, you could do these at home. But we have these already purchased and wrapped in their packages. So we're going to do that. And then you also have this cute little bag of red and green sprinkles. They look like holly leaves and holly berries. Oh, microwave's ready. Let's go check. Okay, they're getting smoother. You can see they're starting to melt. And as I stir it up, it gets kind of creamy and smooth. See, it almost looks like frosting. Okay, so our directions say to spread on a small amount of white chocolate for the candy eyes. So I'm going to take out 2 candy eyes, 1, 2, and I am just going to take my spoon and I'm going to do a little dot on the face, 1 for the eyes, another for the eyes, another for the other eye, and I'm going to stick on one eye, and I'm going to stick on another eye. I've got 2 eyes looking at me, okay? And then I'm going to take my pretzels. You have to do this fairly quickly because the chocolate that you just melted gets hard pretty fast. So I'm going to take my white chocolate again, and I will smear on some white chocolate, one in one corner and one in the other. And then I'm going to put the antlers on, 1 and 2. There we go. It's still kind of wet. And then we need to find, I'm going to make mine Rudolph. If I can find a red in here. Oh, here's a red. I got a yellow one here and a green. I'm going to find a red, and I'll make a little dot for the red nose. There we go. Here he is. He's got a red nose. And last but not least, I'm going to drizzle a little bit more white chocolate right in the middle between his antlers, so he looks very festive and holiday-ish. And I'm going to take a pinch of the red and green and sprinkle those right on his antlers. And there you go. Ta-da! You have your Rudolph the Red-Nosed Rice Krispie treat. Enjoy. I hope you had fun making this, and I hope you enjoy eating it as well. See you soon.